Winston. Yeah, we got time to do a Monday night rip. Yeah, my day's been good, Winston. Let's see. Check out these base cards. Thank you for the slow blink. Thelma Gorbino. What you got there, Winston? Another base, yep. Oh, Steven Erzek. You like that one? We'll put him over here. In a special place. Alright, Winston, what about this one? Shiny. Look at that X-Factor. No? Kayla Harrison? Come on, Winston. No? Alright. Not impressed. How about, yeah, who is that, Winston? You like that guy? Capybara? Yeah, he's not a capybara. What about this, Winston? Not even gonna look. Umar Nurmagomedov. Nurmagomedov. Yeah, say it again, Winston. Say it again. Nurmagomedov. What else we got? Oh, Cody Sanhagen. Yeah, last one he pulled that one. He didn't win, did he, Winston? What's that? Amir Alabazi. Last one, Winston. Vulcan Ozdemir. Yeah. So I guess you got one insert, Winston. Allen and Ginter. Allen Ginter's always good. Kaio Barajo. Or Capybaro. Good cat, Winston.